Smart glasses have been trying to break into the mainstream for years, but they've faced several challenges along the way. From being too heavy to wear for long periods to having overpacked features that drain the battery and rarely get used, many smart glasses just haven't lived up to expectations. Add to that the high price tag, and it's easy to see why they remain a niche product rather than a mainstream accessory. But things are changing, thanks to Xiaomi's AI glasses or Xiaomi AI glasses in some regions. These glasses offer a fresh take on wearable tech. Xiaomi's AI glasses focus on comfort, simplicity, and practicality. Instead of trying to be a full augmented reality (AR) device, they're designed for all-day wear without the burden of clunky features. At just under $300, they're priced more accessibly than most of their competitors. During testing, they were directly compared to the Ray-Ban Meta glasses, and the difference in philosophy was immediately clear. Xiaomi prioritizes comfort and everyday use, making sure the glasses are comfortable to wear for hours without discomfort. The design is where these glasses really shine. Weighing only 40 grams, they're lighter than many regular prescription glasses. Even with prescription lenses, the weight only increases to 54 grams. The weight is evenly distributed across the frame, avoiding any front-heavy or lopsided feeling. The nose bridge is engineered to spread the pressure evenly, preventing discomfort and those annoying red marks on your nose after long wear. They even have a semi-transparent frame option that gives them a modern, tech-forward look without appearing too futuristic. The camera system is another standout feature. Equipped with a 12-megapixel camera, these glasses can record video at 2K resolution in a 4:3 aspect ratio. While it may seem unusual, this format is incredibly practical, allowing you to crop the video later into 16:9 for YouTube or 9:6 for social media platforms like TikTok or Instagram Reels. Image stabilization works well for regular activities like walking, cooking, or traveling. It struggles with rapid head movements, but that's more a limitation of physics than the design itself. The controls are refreshingly simple. A short press takes a photo, and a long press starts video recording. There's no need to unlock your phone or open an app, which makes these glasses perfect for hands-free situations like driving or shopping. However, it's important to note that these are not augmented reality glasses, so there's no heads-up display or visual overlays. When it comes to audio, Xiaomi uses air conduction open-ear speakers, which sit close to your ears without blocking them. This design keeps you aware of your surroundings, which is great for safety. The sound quality is clear but not audiophile grade, with limited bass and a bit of sound leakage at maximum volume. It's perfect for calls, podcasts, and casual music listening, but not ideal for immersive audio experiences. A 5-microphone array ensures clear voice capture for calls and AI interactions, even in noisy environments. The AI features depend on your connected smartphone, which helps save battery life and enhances performance. Xiaomi's AI assistant supports voice commands and integrates with services like ChatGPT, enabling hands-free conversations. Translation and object recognition are useful for travel or identifying signs, though the accuracy varies based on language, accent, and background noise. English support can be inconsistent, and some AI features still feel like beta software. Battery life is solid for everyday use, providing around 8 to 9 hours of mixed use. Continuous video recording lasts about 40 to 45 minutes, which is more suited to short clips than long recording sessions. The angled charging cable lets you charge the glasses while wearing them, even from a pocket power bank. Some versions also come with electrochromic lenses, which can change from clear to tinted with a simple swipe. At around $280 for the standard version, Xiaomi's AI glasses provide excellent value, offering a combination of comfort, practicality, and hands-free features. They're ideal for users who want a realistic introduction to smart glasses without being overwhelmed by unnecessary features. Xiaomi's success lies in its focus on doing a few things well, rather than trying to do everything at once. When compared to Ray-Ban Meta glasses, Xiaomi takes a more feature-focused approach, while Ray-Ban sticks to style and social usability, prioritizing their iconic aesthetic. Xiaomi's glasses include features like electrochromic lenses that can switch between clear and tinted, while Ray-Ban's lenses adjust automatically to light changes. Both brands offer 12-megapixel cameras, but their recording options differ, with Xiaomi offering 2K video at 30 frames per second and Ray-Ban recording in 1440p. In terms of AI, Xiaomi focuses on productivity features like translation and object recognition, while Ray-Ban offers voice commands for social media and music. Ultimately, Xiaomi's AI smart glasses cater to tech enthusiasts who prioritize functionality, battery life, and AI features. Ray-Ban Meta glasses, on the other hand, appeal to those who care more about style and social convenience. With different philosophies, both glasses provide a unique experience, representing two distinct paths in the emerging world of smart eyewear. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.